As an environmental treaty of the United Nations, CMS provides a global platform for the conservation and sustainable use of migratory animals and their habitats. CMS brings together the states through which migratory animals pass, the range states, and lays the legal foundation for internationally coordinated conservation measures throughout a migratory range. As the only global convention specializing in the conservation of migratory species, their habitats and migration routes, CMS complements and cooperates with a number of other international organizations, NGOs and partners in the media, as well as in the corporate sector. Migratory species threatened with extinction are listed on Appendix I of the Convention. CMS parties strive towards strictly protecting these animals, conserving or restoring the places where they live, mitigating obstacles to migration, and controlling other factors that might endanger them. Besides establishing obligations for each state joining the convention, CMS promotes concerted action among the range states of many of these species. Migratory species that need or would significantly benefit from international cooperation are listed in Appendix II of the Convention. For this reason, the Convention encourages the range states to conclude global or regional agreements. In this respect, CMS acts as a framework convention. The agreements may range from legally binding treaties called agreements to less formal instruments, such as memoranda of understanding, and can be adapted to the requirements of particular regions. The development of models tailored according to the conservation needs throughout the migratory range is a unique capacity to CMS. Endangered migratory species, Appendix I-1. Appendix I shall list migratory species which are endangered. A migratory species may be listed in Appendix I provided that reliable evidence, including the best scientific evidence available, indicates that the species is endangered. Migratory species to be the subject of agreements, Appendix II-1. Appendix II shall list migratory species which have an unfavorable conservation status and which require international agreements for their conservation and management. Appendix II also lists those species which have a conservation status that would significantly benefit from the international cooperation that could be achieved by an international agreement. If the circumstances so warrant, a migratory species may be listed both in Appendix I and Appendix II.